Good morning, friends. Sorry about the shakiness of this video. I am almost at the end of unpacking all my stuff for moving, and I still can't find any of my camera equipment. So say hi to Knuckles. She's 17. Anyways, so today we are opening the Vevor or Vevor, or I don't know, but it's the button maker. I saw somebody in Eve's group, the hoop group on Facebook, do some some button pins, and I just got so excited and started looking into it and found myself a little machine. It's a 3-in-1, so it does multi-sizes. I don't know what I'm interested in, so I didn't want to lock into only one size and then be disappointed. So I got a multi one. I'm going to do all this and I'll be back with you in a second once I have it open and have everything on the table. I don't think you really need to sit through me doing all that crunchy stuff. See ya. Okay, I lied. I wanted you to see what it looked like when the box opens. So up here on top, I think these are the cutters. Yep, the circle cutters. But if you have a scan and cut like I do, you won't be needing these. Or a Cricut or something like that. So this is what it looks like when you open it. You get all of your pin backs and pins. There's even the plastic ones. There's all 3 different sizes. Lots of the clear vinyl covers. Really exciting. And then the instruction manual, and it looks like there's another box probably with the actual machine in there. So I'm gonna get it out all on the table and be right back. Okay, friends, this is everything that was inside of the box. I chose pink, but there's many different colors that you can choose, and you can even just get classic black. So there's 3 different size pieces that you can interchange out, so you can do the different sizes of button pins. And then this came with all this extra stuff, so it comes with the pins for all 3 different sizes, plastic and metal backings. Comes with the film and these rotary cutters, which I don't need because I have a scan and cut machine, and I would just use that to cut any of my stuff out. But they do include, it's really weird how they made the pages on here, but they do include this little book here that has all the different sizes, and some have guides, some don't, and these bigger ones are obviously going to be bigger than your pin size, but you can pick just to get this part of the design or just this part of the design. So it's kind of cool, and it's heavier weight paper, so it looks like there's something on every other thing. So it's very, very cool. I think it's super cute. I don't know if I'll make any pins out of it. I might just give it to somebody for art, but so that's all the stuff that comes included in it. There is an instruction manual, and I will be reading that and also watching videos, seeing how other people are using theirs. Anyways, I hope this was fun for you guys. I'm super excited. I'll be making more videos about this, showing you how to use it and just kind of having fun with the different kind of art we can do. Thanks. Bye, guys.